Good evening, everyone. Today we will have an unboxing of our Shoppee delivery. No, what is that?
This is um, air humidifier HEPA filter.
So, what's the purpose of that?
Uh,
Air purifier.
yes. Necklace or portable air purifier with HEPA filter.
So, what's the purpose of that?
The purpose of this is to filter the virus or the viruses and any dust that will
So, it will protect us from any dust
from
and
viruses.
from viruses.
Yeah, especially COVID-19.
Is that
So,
effective?
For sure, it is effective based on my review in Shoppee.
So, it's
most of them write in the review that this is
a good product.
Yes, this is a good product and this is very useful in this pandemic times.
So, it's time now to unbox.
Yeah, so we'll try this one. Let's see.
So, how many have you ordered?
So I ordered 3 for you, for Mark, and for me.
So, how much it costs?
One piece is worth 799. So even if it is expensive,
So,
I ordered this one because I believe it protects us from viruses.
So we spent about 2,200
Yes, 2,200
plus delivery.
2,200, and then we add 50 pesos for the driver to deliver in your school.
So it's time now to unbox and
Yes.
do the big reveal.
Yeah, so let us see if this is complete. But I guess it's complete.
So it's time now to unwrap,
Yes,
unbox,
we will unwrap and then
unbox.
unbox. So
You're having a hard time?
yes, it's so hard. So it has 3 boxes.
Okay, at least the product, the package is complete.
Yeah, so let us see.
Hopefully
if-
it has in it, no? The
Hopefully,
content.
yes. Hopefully it
Not only
has
the box.
yes, only the box, but the content or the necklace itself.
Air purifier.
Yes, portable or necklace air purifier. So I ordered in Shoppee. Yes, personal air purifier. So this is
Personal.
first box.
So it's time now to unwrap.
Yes, and
Unbox rather.
second one, personal air purifier. Yeah. And then the third one. So thanks God
So
it's complete.
let us check down the box.
Yeah, so let us check what is inside this box.
Salamat Shoppee.
Salamat Shoppee for this
Delivery.
yes, for this fast delivery. I had ordered this one last week, so it took like
1 week.
7
days.
7 days.
And unboxing takes forever.
Yes. So, ta-da! Let us see. Ta-da!
So that's our air purifier. Portable.
Yes, portable air purifier.
Open it now.
Oops. Oops. Oops.
Faster.
Oops. Oh, ha, ha.
Wow.
And,
That's beautiful.
yes, so,
You have a portable
yes, so,
cord for the charger.
yes, so, this is for charging.
And that's the
And,
necklace.
yes.
How many hours
I think
for charging?
based on the review, 4 hours.
Do you have the instruction? Can you check?
Yes, it has. It has.
Although it's written in Chinese.
Yes. It is written in English.
So how many hours?
Before using, please read the instruction and carefully follow the warnings and safety rules listed in the instruction manual of the company. Okay.
Anyway, that's quite good, no? So can you check the product again?
So we are going to read this one first. So the product is portable air purifier with HEPA filter.
Can you check the product parameters? This one, product parameters. This one. So voltage. This one.
Langga, we will wear this one.
Okay.
This black is for you and Papa, and white is for me. But Langga, try to read the manual.
So
What or how many hours?
that's
are we
it.
going
So we
to-
are done now unboxing the first box.
Yes, so this
And
is it.
the color is black.
Black, 2 blacks and 1 white.
Can you unbox the other two?
Yeah, so we'll try this one. Langga, help me unboxing this one.
Can you unbox the other one, Jensen?
Sir. What's this?
Hopefully it's the white one.
I'm having a hard time, Langga. Langga. Sayang mo lang ito kanina.
It takes like forever now. You need to power up.
Yes.
Just like in Steam 8. You need to power up to open. To open opportunities. Oh my, it takes forever.
It takes a while, but
Okay, open up. Hopefully it's the white one. So if it's the white one, then that's it for our unboxing.
yeah. Oh,
Oh.
the black one.
It's another black.
Yeah.
So I was wrong all along. So it's time to open the other one. Hopefully it's the
Yes,
white
and
one.
This white is for me. I ordered 2 black and 1 white.
That's the other one. It's still black.
And this one.
Hopefully that will be the white one.
Yes. So this one. Wow, the white one.
Okay. You have the combination of black and white.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
This is for me.
Okay, so that's it. Mga kapaps, we are done now with our unboxing with our portable air purifier.
Yes.
The purpose of this one is simply to drive away viruses, to purify the air. So see you around mga kapaps, and watch out for more unboxing only here in our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.